The first step in hardware formatting your computer is to check your computer's specs or specifications. To do that, you need to go into the Run program by pressing Windows and R at the same time, and then typing into the program dxdiag. After waiting a couple of seconds, your computer will show you its specs. What we need to see here is whether it's a 64-bit or a 32-bit. You will see later why. The next step is to make a bootable device. In order to do that, we will need a Rufus and Windows ISO file and a USB that has around 8GB of storage. The first step in making a bootable device is to plug in your USB to your PC, and then click on Rufus to open the Rufus program. After opening the Rufus program, you'll then see this screen here. You need to then press on select and then choose your Windows ISO file. One thing to note here is that you need to make sure that your ISO file has the same bit as your computer, or else it might not work. You could add a custom name to your bootable device, but this step is optional. After that, press on start and the process of your USB turning into a bootable device should start. This step might take some time, so you need to make sure that your PC won't turn up or get interrupted, or else there's a chance of it failing. After a while, your bootable device should be ready and good to go. This bootable device can now be used as a tool for installing Windows 10 in your computer. To hardware format your computer, you need to go into the BIOS setup by repeatedly clicking on either F2, F10, F12, or delete as soon as your PC turns on. Make sure that your bootable device is already connected to your PC before doing this step. Once you are in the BIOS setup, you need to go to the boot menu by using the left and right arrow keys. You need to then select boot priority and then choose legacy first. You need to then put the USB or bootable device as the first boot in the legacy list. After that, you will now go and exit the BIOS setup. After doing the steps, your computer will now show you this screen. This screen is where the installation process starts. First, you need to put in your preferred language, time, and keyboard layout, and then click next and install. Click on I do not have a product key, and then select what type of Windows OS you want to install on your computer. Accept the license terms, and then pick what type of installation you would like to do in your computer. Next, you need to delete all the existing disk drive partitions and then add new ones for your OS and one for your personal files. Note, the recommended space for the disk drives of your OS is 130 to 250 gigabytes. After those steps, you just need to wait for Windows to finish installing the OS to your computer. After that, you just need to finish setting up your computer by following the OS instructions. After that, you should be done hard reformatting your computer. That's all.